amazing day. So tomorrow I'm actually going to Stockholm with my mom. Super exciting, we're flying there tomorrow. So I decided to take you guys along with me on this hopefully fun ride. But first off, I have a couple of packages to open, so let's open this one first. Yeah, I got the movies SAT stuff. It's a ring light. I'm really not sure if I did this the right way. Oh shit. Is the light better now or is it just like more white? I have this bag of more photo stuff. This is a microphone. You don't need 3 layers of tape, you know? Alright, you guys are going to be hearing better sound from now on. I feel like this video is just getting better and better the more stuff I put on everywhere, but now the microphone is on. A flexible tripod. I feel like I'm showing every box. There it is! Oh, this is cool. Okay, this is really rad. So this is me holding with the new tripod, and this is me holding usually. The camera gets a little bit more further back, so I like that. It's a glow spin. The packaging looks really cool. It's pink. I love pink, so I did right. So I'll be trying this out this week. I haven't really tested any dupes, but I'm very excited to see how this works. I've been wanting some kind of like glow spin or clarisonic for a really long while. I'm noticing I'm getting a little bit tired. Sorry about that. It's currently 11:30, so I better go to bed because I'm waking up at 5:30 tomorrow. No, 4:30 tomorrow. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I better go to sleep right now, but I'll see you guys tomorrow morning at 5.
Baby, please have a little patience with me. Baby, please.
So we just made it through the security. Now we're heading to the gate. Exciting!
Baby, please have a little patience with me.
Alright, so we're at the gate right now. We're waiting for the plane to arrive. Is it here? So it's currently 7 a.m. But I'm excited to go to Stockholm. It's gonna be really fun. So I'll see you guys there.
We call Perfect Eyebrows. It's a fiber-infused eyebrow product, so it gives you a lot of color and a lot of volume, which is great for everyone who wants perfect eyebrows.
Hi, welcome to Bermudas. We have our first new spring lotions here today.
Alright, so I kind of just touched down in Stockholm. I've been here for like 2 hours. I went to this event with my mom. There were a lot of like brands that were releasing new products and everything. Actually, L'Oreal had the like cutest installation ever. So now I'm just going to be walking around the city of Stockholm, just exploring a little bit, and I'm going to meet up with my mom later. The city is actually really cute, so yeah, we'll just I'll take you guys around a little bit.
Please have a little patience with me.
I just got my food. It looked delicious, and I've just been strolling around a little bit. I actually went to Sephora and I got some stuff because I've literally been like fangirling about this for so long. So I got a highlighter, brush, and I also got this weird thing, which is a nude sticks. So apparently it's like for your eyes, for your lips, and for your highlights. So really going the highlight route right now. Brow stuff from Benefits, which I'm excited about trying out. So yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my food, wait for my mom to come back, and I will see you guys later today. This is the reason I can't wear biker jackets. Sad. Alright, Alright guys, so I just came home from the city. We're still in the city. I just came home from eating dinner and just being outside in the city, and I'm really tired because I woke up really early, so I'm gonna get some sleep and then I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. So good morning guys, it's a new, hopefully very exciting day. I'm heading down to some breakfast. My voice is pretty sore. I don't know why that happened. It's kind of weird. This is my OOTD. I'm wearing this Holzweiler big chunky sweater because it is kind of cold today. MIH jeans, and then just my basic Uggs because it is cold here. Alright, so I'm back. There's a really big echo here, I don't know why. But I want to show you guys a little bit of what I got yesterday because I got a lot of freebies at the event. So a mascara primer from L'Oreal. I got some sugar scrubs from there, shampoos, more new conditioners and shampoos, plus this one, primers I think, along with a couple of more lipsticks, 2 soaps from body butter, and this lip balm from Rosen-serien. From Iden Cosmetics, I got a lot of nail polishes, eyebrow mascara kind of thing, 2 nail polishes from Wet n Wild, makeup stick highlight thing, and this foundation which got matched for me by Wet n Wild. So that was all I got for this event. I'm really excited to try all of this stuff out. I'll tell you guys if anything is really amazing, you should definitely go buy it. But yeah, let's just head out to the city. Where are we? I have no idea. We're basically like walking to the Oslo Museum, which is really exciting. My grandma was actually there like a couple of months ago. We got like the most funny pictures in the world at first, so I'm really excited to like try out all the like karaoke stuff. I don't know how it's gonna be because I haven't seen it before, but look at this view, guys. It's amazing. Like, this reminds me a little bit about Oslo, just that it's a little nicer, I'm not gonna lie. So, you know what? Let's just go to the Oslo Museum. I'm excited. Alright, so we just finished at the Apple Museum. It was really fun. We did this karaoke thing, which was really interesting. It was actually a really great museum. One of the better ones I've been at. I've been at a lot of museums. We're just going to walk a little bit more, just explore some more parts of the city.
We can also go to the castle.
Castle, yeah, I think that would be nice. So, the castle, you're like allowed to go, not inside, but like in the area around the castle.
We'll see that, and we'll also go to Gamla stan.
What is it called when you drink coffee and you meet in Sweden? Is it fika?
Yeah, fika.
Det är fika vi. So I mean, I'm having this obviously, but I mean, it's pretty cool too. Are these ones, which is better? Gold
I
or
think
silver?
the silver.
Silver? Okay, totally. This will be my new Crocs. Currently at the airport train, going back to Oslo right now in a couple of hours. Sad, but you know, the weekend's over, so you can't really do anything about it. We made it to the airport and I found Norwegian water, which I'm really proud of because you guys know my relationship with Norwegian water. It's pretty extreme, so. I brought my book because I knew I was going to have some time off left, time to spare. I'll be reading this. I've been reading, I have like 2 chapters left of this book. I really, really like it. So I'll finish this book and then I'll get back to you guys. We're back in Oslo. Our flight actually got 1.5 hour delayed. It was not that fun. We actually had to take another plane. Long story, I'm not gonna tell you that. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys want more vlogs, then make sure to tell me in the comment section below so I can make like more travel vlogs because I really enjoy making them. I think it's really fun. I'm really excited to go home and get a shower. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye everyone!